Hey Lee, what's wrong with these turbines? I need to charge my drone batteries, but these guys are sleeping. Come on, maybe this one I can wake it up. Is there a button to turn it off and back on, or just poke a doorbell and say, wake up, wake up, wake up? Come on, they're supposed to be spinning. They're supposed to be generating electricity so that we have green energy. But all these turbines are just sitting there doing nothing. Come on, there's got to be a way to push a button and tell them to wake up. I need to charge my batteries. Come on. Hey guy, wake up, wake up. Come on. Come on. The sun is shining. It's time to get to work. You're supposed to be generating clean energy for me. Yeah, come on. Let's go. Wake up, wake up. You're just sitting here. You're not doing anything. You're worthless. This cornfield's generating more energy than you are. I'm tired. Battery's dead.